India just saw a sharp spike in wholesale inflation, and while the numbers look surprising, the bigger question is whether this becomes a long term problem or just a temporary cost shock. India's WPI inflation has jumped sharply in April, driven largely by fuel, commodity, and manufacturing related costs. The rise has been much faster than expected and is now raising questions whether input cost pressures are returning into the economy. But it's important to understand something. Wholesale inflation impacts companies first before consumers feel the full effect. Now let's look at the corporate impact. For businesses, higher raw materials, logistics, and energy costs can pressure margins in the near term. For sectors like cement, chemicals, paints, logistics, and manufacturing could see temporary earnings pressure if commodity prices remain elevated. But stronger companies with pricing power often manage these phases much better than weaker players. Now, let's look at the consumption impact. The bigger thing market will watch now is consumption demand. India remains a consumption driven economy, and if companies pass on higher costs to consumers, demand could slow marginally in some pockets. However, strong government spending, improving private capex, and rising formalization of the economy are still acting as medium term support factors. Now let's look at the RBI, what they can do. So for the RBI, this may simply mean staying slightly more cautious on aggressive rate cuts for now. 1 month of high wholesale inflation does not automatically mean runaway inflation, but it does signal that commodity prices and crude oil remain important variables going forward. Now let's look at the positive side. So at the same time, not all inflation is necessarily negative. Sometimes rising wholesale inflation also reflects stronger industrial activity, improving demand, and a pickup in manufacturing momentum. India's broader structural story around infrastructure, manufacturing, power, defense, and capex still remains intact for the medium to long term. Now, the conclusion would be the key thing now is not just the inflation spike itself, but whether these pressures sustain over multiple months. If crude prices cool and supply chains stabilize, this could remain a temporary phase. But if costs continue rising sharply, markets may need to adjust expectation on margins and interest rates. For now, this looks more like a caution signal than a structural problem.